Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope each one of you is doing good. Now we all girls are always looking for perfection in our lives. It could majorly be consisting of having a perfect figure, perfect skin, perfect hair, everything to be perfect. Now what if I told you that I know about a magic potion that can sort all these to perfection? Yes, and it is apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar has become one of the magical ingredients of natural skincare, and it can actually solve all your weight issues. You can get beautiful lush hair and also clear glowing skin. Now I'm using the Disano's apple cider vinegar. This has the goodness of Mother Vinegar in it. Now I've been using Disano's products from a while now. I've used their olive oil apart from the apple cider vinegar. I've also used oats. They're all very healthy and I can vouch on their products. They're safe to be consumed. They're very well made and absolutely healthy. So I've been using this apple cider vinegar by Disano from the past 25 to 30 days, almost a month now, and I can definitely recommend you this one. Disano's apple cider mother vinegar is 100% natural, sourced from finest quality Himalayan apples, made from apple juice. So before you start pouring the entire bottle on top of yourself, let me just tell you the potential benefits of apple cider vinegar and the ways that you can use them. And these tips can be definitely added in your daily routine. So stay tuned. This is a general tonic that helps in weight loss and slims your waistline. Make sure to shake the bottle well before using. Take a glass of light, warm water in the morning and then add 2 tablespoons of Disano's apple cider mother vinegar in it. Mix it well and drink it. You can have this twice daily before having any meal. For frizz-free hair, mix equal portions of Disano's apple cider vinegar and water and use this to rinse your hair after maybe washing your hair. It detangles the hair and gives it a very shiny, smooth finish. If you're facing dandruff issues, then apple cider vinegar is something that lowers the amount of yeast growing on your scalp. So mix together equal parts of Disano's apple cider vinegar and water and apply it onto your scalp before you shampoo using a cotton bud. Now, apple cider vinegar has the triple threat of being antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral, which makes it capable of keeping bacteria at bay and pimples from forming. It also kind of exfoliates the skin and removes age spots and minimizes fine lines. So take a Q-tip to apply the Disano's apple cider vinegar to any of your acne or age spots. Apple cider vinegar works brilliantly to reverse some of the damage caused by the overexposure in the sun. So take Disano's apple cider vinegar and mix it with water and a little bit of any oil and apply it directly on the sunburned skin. Apple cider vinegar is an amazing foot soak because it kills the dead skin cells and also softens the skin. So take lukewarm water and dip a little bit of apple cider vinegar in it and dip your feet for 20 minutes. This is also a natural deodorant because it alters the pH level of your skin and fights bacteria and neutralizes odor. So take Disano's apple cider vinegar, dab a little bit of it on a cotton pad and apply it on your armpits, and then you will see that your armpits are going to be feeling fresh for a much longer time. So I hope these tips are going to be helpful for you. Try them and definitely try your hands on the Disano's apple cider mother vinegar. This is highly recommended from me for sure. So I will have the link of this in the information box below. Try it out and let me know what you thought about it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.